What's going on YouTube? I've got a quick unboxing for you. This is the Canon PowerShot ELPH 300. Just got this in the mail today. Sounds a little rattly, but we'll see what's up with that in a minute. And you are greeted with manual as usual. We have the warranty card. We have the software disc. We have the USB connector here. We have the composite cables, component cables, composite cables, whatever you want to call it. We have the battery charger. We have the battery. We have the lanyard. And then we have the phone. Here is the phone itself. I have some accessories coming for it. I've got a 32 gigabyte card coming. There's quite a few smudges on there. I don't know if you can see that. Look at all those smudges. The camera looks really good. But I have 32 gigabyte memory card coming. I have a screen protector coming also. And this is what I'm going to use from now on to record my videos. I'm gearing up for the Vita when it comes out next month. So I have a tripod coming as well, so I will be set. Just want to do a quick unboxing, guys. Thank you and have a great day.